guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shelby with Mom Life with Shelby, and I just want to get into today's video, so let's get going. Hey guys, I just wanted to jump right into today's video because it's a busy day. I just dropped Wyatt off at daycare and I wanted to get started on a couple loads of laundry. I'm just starting with Wyatt's laundry now, and then I'm going to get into my laundry next. So if you have anything to do, let's get it done together.
But now there's a window change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this summer.
Now I'm just going to open the blinds, make my bed, and just get my day started. I like to get everything tidied up in my room because it makes me feel more productive. So do you make your bed every day? Let me know in the comments below.
You were only like a friend. Oh, till we met the other day. Oh, didn't want the night to end. Oh, and now there's a window change. I've never ever felt this way. You're stuck inside my mind, deep inside my mind. I think that now's the time. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this summer alone.
I've recently decorated for Christmas, so I'm just gonna go ahead and turn on all my lights.
I'm coming home. I'm counting hours, minutes, seconds, faster.
And then I'm just gonna get ready for the day and brush my teeth and all that jazz.
Yeah, we're chilling, I guess you and I. Every crazy summer night, baby, I am coming home. I'm coming home. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home.
That pill you see me take is my antidepressant. If you want to see more or hear more about my postpartum depression, let me know in the comments below and I'll make a separate video.
I'm coming home. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind?
So my mom wanted me to decorate her chalkboard in the kitchen, so I just went on Pinterest and found a really easy design. So I'm just gonna go ahead and draw that on now that I've made my coffee.
What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me.
And then I just wanted to add lights to this wreath that I got a couple years ago. It hasn't had lights before, but this summer or this Christmas I wanted to jack it up a little bit. So I'm just going to be adding these battery LED lights into the wreath.
How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me, baby, go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying?
Then we're just going to change the laundry over, and I'm going to hang up some stuff that I don't put in the dryer and get my stuff going in the wash next.
Stop loving me. How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on?
My girlfriend stopped over and didn't realize I was filming. So hi, Caitlin. Next, I'm just going to start folding Wyatt's clothes. I have a really easy way of folding pajama sets though. If you just watch me fold this next one, I'm just going to lay the shirt down and then I take the pants and I fold them and put them inside and fold it over. And then it's really easy to keep track of the sets and keep them together in one spot.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had afforded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was my own enemy, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on.
Lots of laundry motivation in this video today, guys. I'm just moving on to my stuff now.
Passion, my doubts are gone. Felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms
Then I'm just gonna put all of the laundry away now and get it over with. I hate putting laundry away, but I figured since he's not home, I might as well get as much accomplished today as I can. Then I'm just gonna do some last minute tidying up. That's basically it for this video. I'm filming my house tour this afternoon with all the Christmas decorations. So this is where I'm gonna end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and it gave you a bit of motivation to get some things done on your to-do list today. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe before you go today. And don't forget to stick around for next time. Thanks, bye.